Hello, my name is Krishna Gupta. I'm 15 years old. 2 months ago, before following Meena ma'am's diet chart, I had cold and cough frequently. Even I've recorded migraine pains continuously, and I had gained weight. So after following Meena ma'am's diet chart properly, without any leave, I have observed weight loss, no migraine pains, and no cold and cough for past 2 months. I'm really thankful to her.